Jonathan Handford from Fine & Country, and today I'm at Gaydon Road in Bishop's Itchington. Bishop's Itchington is a relatively small village positioned 6.5 miles southeast of Leamington Spa. It's got a population of just under 2,500. There's a primary school, village pub, local shops, even a hairdresser's. The property itself is set in just over 1/3 of an acre. Come inside and have a look around. On the ground floor, there is an entrance porch and entrance hall, with doors leading through to a cloakroom and a magnificent open plan sitting room area with large bay window that flows through to the dining room area. Off this area is a sunroom with great views over the rear garden. Also, to the rear of the property, there is a recently refitted breakfast kitchen room with French doors onto the rear garden. Serving the bedrooms on the ground floor, there is a 3-piece shower room with large shower cubicle and double wash hand basin. In total on the ground floor, there are 3 double bedrooms, one of which is currently being used as a home office. On the first floor, there is a large landing space with doors leading through to a large double bedroom and a 3-piece bathroom. Outside, this property is stunning. It is set in grounds just over 1/3 of an acre. It is laid mainly to lawn and enclosed with a fence. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, if you'd like some more information or to book a viewing, you can reach me on the contact information that will follow. Have a great day.